upbeat music playing. Cut to a table with both cameras displayed. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, where we have two heavyweights going toe-to-toe, the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS on the left and the Sony ZV-E10 on the right. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The price. The LUMIX G7KS is priced at a sweet $697. That's like 3 fancy dinners or 1 really bad haircut. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 is sitting pretty at $799. Reviewers have noted that while the LUMIX offers great value for its price, the ZV-E10 is seen as a premium option for those who want top-notch features. So, if you want to feel like a baller, you might want to go with Sony. But hey, money doesn't grow on trees, right? Unless you're in a video game, then it does. Next, we're rolling into image quality. The LUMIX G7KS boasts superb DSLM image quality without the bulk and weight of traditional DSLRs. Reviewers highlight its impressive image quality, especially in 4K video, making it a great choice for those who want high-quality stills and videos. On the flip side, the ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C XMOR CMOS sensor and a fast BIONZX processor. This bad boy can give you 4K movies oversampled from 6K. Reviewers rave about its high-resolution video quality, making it a go-to for content creators who need top performance. That's like getting a premium burger with extra bacon. Why settle for less? Now, let's talk video. The G7KS has 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video pause and save photo modes. Reviewers love this feature, describing it as a magic wand for videos. Pause, save, and boom! Instant memories. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 offers a product showcase setting that transitions focus from face to object. Reviewers have praised this feature for making it easier to highlight products while looking fabulous, perfect for vloggers trying to show off their latest gadgets. Just don't forget to smile, or your smoothie might steal the show. Let's talk autofocus. The LUMIX has fast and precise autofocusing that can track subjects like a hawk. Reviewers mention its face/eye detection as a standout feature that can even follow your dog when it runs away with your sandwich. The ZV-E10? It's got a background defocus button that toggles between defocus effects on and off. This feature is well received among users who want to achieve that cinematic look while focusing on their subject. So, if you want to look like a movie star while your background looks like a blurry mess, this one's for you. Finally, let's talk connectivity. The LUMIX G7KS lets you unwire your creativity with integrated Wi-Fi sharing. Reviewers appreciate this feature for allowing them to upload vacation snaps while on the go, making it convenient for travel. And the ZV-E10 makes live streaming easy with just a single USB cable. Reviewers say this ease of use is a game changer for those who want to jump right into content creation without additional hardware or software. It's like the one-night stand of cameras. Quick, easy, and you don't have to deal with the baggage. In summary, both cameras have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The Panasonic LUMIX G7KS is highly recommended for its impressive image quality and video capabilities at an affordable price, while the Sony ZV-E10 is favored by content creators for its advanced features and ease of use. So there you have it, folks. the LUMIX G7KS is your go-to for a lightweight, versatile camera with killer video capabilities, while the ZV-E10 is perfect for content creators who want to live stream and showcase products like a pro. Which one would I choose? Well, if I had to pick, I'd probably take both and call it a day. But what about you? Let us know in the comments below which camera gets your vote. And remember, whether you're snapping pics of your dinner or filming your cat's next big adventure, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic comparisons. Until next time, keep capturing those moments without breaking the bank. Green fades out with channel logo.